Just east of Trenton, New Jersey, you'll find the vibrant and bustling community of Hamilton Township. It's there you'll also find nearly 8.5 acres of land ready for development. Once home to an aspirin manufacturing plant in the 1940s, it's been decades since the land was offered on the open market, but now it's up for auction. The 8.43 acres, located at 2144 East State Street, is in a well-established industrial corridor, right next to rail lines. There's an estimated buildable area of 84,000 square feet. Investors and developers will find this as an opportunity to subdivide the land and resell as smaller lots, or simply build out the site for rental income. The land is close to New Jersey transit stations and an easy commute to New York or Philadelphia. Place your bids on 2144 East State Street in Hamilton Township, Wednesday, November 18th at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central. Bid live on site or live online at auctionnetwork.com.